Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Why? We're gonna fishing adventure today. In the mangroves.
Big up the paper, big up yourself.
Yeah, man, doing there.
Yeah, man.
So what left them crooks or something?
Active, isn't it?
Just about with it.
Just about
You just left the crooks.
Yeah.
Everywhere there.
One, so we do one for the cups there.
I tell you.
Yeah, man, I want you a nice paper.
Yeah, man. Watch out, man. Yo, the man who walk on street like say, yo, like a everyday thing. Watch how far they reach. Check this out. Yo. Everybody, you're probably going to take out the crooks. Yeah, so man, we shouldn't show you the rest.
Should have been monster rider, Ricky.
Yeah? Monster at that.
Yeah,
got job some monster fish.
Sure.
And a little baby one you got job some fish in idea.
Yeah, man. No one want better than this, you know, because I got about 14 big fish already. Play!
Alright, go on.
Yeah, man, so.
I say it blew heavy enough, so I feel balance between.
Oh, now when you go inside,
One man will have spearhead the adventure. Jamaica adventure. Go on in front of bro.
Come in, man.
What me step going in a while ago?
Yeah, watch out for them there. Somebody reach up by this.
Let me realize.
Go on.
Go on, be a cook, man.
That one hand them. Next time, don't grab a bush and don't grab a back there,
okay? Yo, brother. I don't disappear and nothing normal. Yo. You know the worst thing we do? Guess, one pants me carry. Me carry an extra shirt.
I got an extra shirt and extra shirt. Underpants on the back.
Yo. Hey people, this is not normal. This I don't know, normal.
Let's step it up, time.
Yeah. When you step, if you step on your step wrong, you're gonna never land.
Never land.
Yeah, man. Never land, brother. Roger. Take care. And I ride on the mangrove route, let me step on. Hey, them the man there. Come like in a mangrove, they live in a. Man ain't gone, brother. You guys. Still not the mangrove. Well, I'm gonna pull up not yet, we get a break. Yeah, I get none do yet. None. Not that. Yeah, beat still up on the same. What am I telling you? Still go and hang on to you. Can't give up. And he go on every adventure we do, you know? Every single one.
Where we going to carry?
I can see fire make up in a tree, you know. And a tree fire make up in there.
Wet mangrove.
Yeah, right.
White dead mangrove.
Yeah, man.
Where is it? Magic man there. With them. Where must it?
Yeah, man, man who scale if he got the fish before he scale it. I don't lie, I true. So somebody could never tell lie.
Alright, so now I'm going to watch the front and come back and I say, gill and everything. Try to come out of them, you know.
Eh.
Gill them in them.
Oh, you left to gill them in them too? Hey, bro. You have to look when they see people that do something so you can learn. You understand?
Survival, you know.
Yeah, you can't go make woman go teach you to cook, you know. You have to learn to cook before you are a woman, you see me? You know if you cook what? Ramen? And egg?
Cook rice and dumplings.
Mikey, what's up? A crepe fish pips.
I one thing with you, you try every. Hey, this man I try everything for bait, you know, brother. Someone I use all Frankfurt I get fish, you know.
It's kill.
When you use Frankfurt and catch fish, brother.
Sure, it is a big one. I'm try everything I now. I'm try Frankfurt that one.
See you set up here.
This is a big.
You carry.
Stava a pizza. Come to one knife, come here.
Chef up.
One peeps. Kind of shot, oh, the shot foot or shot hand, which one?
Short hand.
Bush style, you know, bush style cooking, you know. And don't say anything, cook a bush style is nice, you know, so I'm sure I want to. I don't take it to cook them, you know. No, so you have pot one. You have pot. It's a man, you have a pot at the night. What? Nah, come now, man, find the thing, come now.
Oh, somebody actually do it around come?
Yeah.
Man look on the journey, they say no bother come, brother.
You saw the sunset?
Yeah, that's it.
Move back.
What you say you wouldn't bother come either?
I just keep on telling you, man, so forward. I'm still not seeing.
That messed up, man.
So you keep them till the forward. So when you done cooking that forward?
Kind of finish up a bit them though. That way I tell us everything there, man. Yeah, video. Kind of finish up a bit them, man. I want someone to get 2 fish carry. So.
How you doing? You not getting no pick?
Still have hope so we'll catch fish. Yeah, man, I catch it.
Oh, son, I hope. I'm going to beat them up. I'm going to beat them up.
Aye. You know catch one, eh? You get to it. Why not keep it jump off?
Chunk pick the oil again. Chunk pick it.
Yeah, be a chunk pick.
When do? How that me I say?
You together for
You might not breeze a blow it on the ground.
It's dry down, son. And it's dry.
A brim, man. A brim. A brim, man. Man, get so hot to call no one can't.
No, not even one can come up.
Them I get people who know right there if you draw them. I watch you catch fish for a while, better you know learn over this.
Shake off from them. You know? Fire blaze up there.
Yo, the amazing fishing smoke in them mangrove.
Yeah. Wet sticky. Yeah, man, drop some of them in the pipe. Start big one in the pipe. Wet dead stick them, you know, you have to container thing that leper it will look for you.
Eh?
Leper.
You know, man.
Eh?
You know, man.
Yeah, man. You get it ready, man?
What, which one? Jerk chicken or jerk fish? Which one?
Yeah,
jerk you get? Jerk chicken or jerk
there's a
fish?
between me and this file that I cook, you know.
Oh, you cook them knife first? But it, you know, no cover feed?
No, no need cover.
Oh.
No, I don't have blow.
Yeah, because you put small, do you know?
Fish is already done. That's what you see, look for. Fish right.
Oh, you cook fish night already? Okay.
Maybe you have the top feet. Then drop to the back.
You don't know go on bad, man.
Oh, yeah, I say, man.
Look, some fish you carry home, man.
Me glue have ice in there, no, a couple.
Can't go back in
I see me have a couple of beats, that's the left.
You understand?
me have ice in the igloo same way.
Same way.
Can't run go ahead, man.
Can't go.
We then go looking at him.
That's all?
Dive on there.
Yeah, man.
Thirsty.
Yeah man, that more I learn for spear fish. Yeah man, more I learn for spear fish. But me need a grenade of water. Yeah,
No, you're mad.
Me?
That's but I forgot what metal arm around me, brother.
We saw spikes.
You know, your crooks that say water just tastes different. Different type of meat they night, brother.
A fresh meat, you know?
Yeah.
But I get some spikes, but I get some spikes.
Yeah?
I know, man.
No man, they not trouble you.
They're not trouble you, not car, you.
You have pay a bone.
Yeah, garlic meat.
You have pay a bone, man. You know how you feed.
You meat,
Look for me, you're me full of flesh.
you meat garlic for that. No, on that.
Yeah,
Yeah, man. You're a fisher, man.
they say I try garlic, you know.
Yeah, man, they must.
I catch a vampire fish them.
Aye.
Hey, you want to see that happen?
Yeah?
This is when I try some unusual thing. Mango. All type of thing.
Yo, you know what I go grandpa's fault, uncle? Some big blue pressure there, what?
Grandpa fall.
What?
I say, oh, St. Thomas.
Yeah.
My man use all banana skin and catch bonito. Yeah. Smallest one and bite the banana skin. So when I put on the banana itself, clean out. Big one. Big giant one and bite it.
But it depends on what. It depends on how you're there still, you know, you catch. It depends on how you're there, you know. And what type of fish is there, you know. Different type of fish, like different type of bait, you know. So, you know.
You know when fish don't say eat anything? Catfish. When they are guy in the master, they put on a little flour on the hook and
A bottom feeder them be, you know, man. You know many things.
How many things you give them, man? How many eat them, man?
See the fish.
Catch
Some
them,
of the-
catch them again,
Catch
then.
fish, Alex.
Yeah, man.
They love it, I know.
Yeah, man, peeps, you know what time it is. To the water, yeah? You see how I bend down in the water, yeah? Kind of dangerous, you know? Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Me watch if the crooks are crawl
No,
up there.
crocodile. Thing the one. No tonba. A tonba can't come like this. Hungry.
What you call it?
Eh?
What you call
Eel.
it? Eel. Oh.
See,
Oh.
eel. What?
Oh.
All the water boat I have to bite you, man. What?
And them me love.
Eh?
Me love them.
Yeah, man, nice, you know?
Oh.
What are
Eel.
All the river one.
Yeah,
they?
man.
Eat, you know?
Nice, man.
Love them, man.
Nice.
Meat gummy, you know. You see all the skin? Skin nice, man.
So that's that grapes. So if the fire burn down a little bit and then we add on this on the fire.
Oh, it don't look like the fire dead out again. I'm a fireman, you know.
Yeah, see the come
Catfish, but I want them square. I want
Oh, the scale. You want the scale?
eh, you want to catch this shit?
Yeah, man. When they scale them, they get white. They meat white. So I whiskers making I want to eat. Eh.
That right here is snub-nosed dog. You see one.
And them out big.
Yeah.
We're going to lean this to one side.
Oh.
No, down here.
This is a picture put in there. No, it's on here. What's the them cooking there, uncle?
So. Real bush cooking.
Down my name, man.
Camel.
Nah, man. You must cook it there, also. Okay, there we see fish every time. I never you own that.
You know, they look like a breeze blow it off.
Eh? Why, fire?
No, breeze blow off this.
Where you put the water? What? No, I never pot this. Pot, there is somebody pot small.
Did you see how that for the fire? Oh, they can't hold in that pot.
No.
So that you put them in.
Yeah. Yeah, man, keep so. Now in a pot. You know we are improvising, you know?
Well, once when they start bubbling, no, man.
You have to stay right, so I think they monitor it in the car. They say we blow off the tube, you know?
Yeah, me feel say we blow off, man.
Yeah, man, we blow off.
Mm-hmm.
You have to stay right, so I monitor it. Before I go on. Real bush cooking. Mr. Warmington, I know Mr. Warmington is a fishing. I seen them on the lane there.
Much sun in a bush.
Yeah, tell you. See fire blaze now.
Eh?
Yeah, man.
I'll see if time I'm going to tell you.
Heat come out there now, so you know what that goes.
And a time, you know. Last Jesus.
I feel like I just want to feel pockets of her.
I see kill Mr. Wassus, man.
Yeah, get that.
I know.
It smells nice, man.
That's true.
Eh? It smells
I mean, in a bush.
Okay, man, you
I
spoil the fish them.
smell the swamp again.
I soak a fish man, you cook them.
You want to cook there?
I chew it up over.
Yeah, man.
Am I one of the biggest one in there?
But say, by your throw it, you crackers in that, no water left in there. You suck up everything.
You know more back? What am I? I want to go up and tree and I'm home with them now, I guess.
Dessert that, yeah.
Tide, come on.
Now working away now.
Wait, I eat a bit of percent, son. What?
What you afraid?
Pass up, man, pass up.
Eh?
Pass up.
Alright, when we done share my thing here, I can get some more.
Yeah.
Oh, I hit me up a buckle, sir?
Yeah, man. Give me that.
Real.
Make it way.
Right plan.
Oh, wait, not up.
It smells nice, man.
It's nice, man. Taste it.
Yeah, man, very active. Not putting up my fire when I go.
You think you're gone already?
Jesus Christ.
Rest them down anyway. Rest them down anyway, Warmington.
So you go, man.
Yeah, that's rest them down anyway, man.
I'm supposed to float there.
Pass it.
We're not going to rest them in our water.
Take a picture, man. Take a move. Some days we have everything, some days we don't have everything. But you know we have to make it work, you know?
Bush there, man.
Yeah?
Bush there.
Yeah, man.
No 5-star hotel, you know.
Make it work.
One knife, one fork.
Yeah, man. Wait. Come in, Mr. Warmington. Your place, Mr. Warmington? Hold on, honey. It's your place.
I'm not going to bang up. I need to get it.
So this is my plate. Check it out. Yeah, man. Can't tell you which part you can go buy them plate there.
See.
See it?
Pepper night.
Pepper, right, man. Right. Let's check this out.
No. Hot.
Nice, man. I know how to hot. Right, you're right, man.
But you may get used to it, I'm not complaining again.
Where did I get used to
I don't
him?
have sugar on a good one.
Where you get that from?
Sugar inside of you.
It's good.
Yeah, man.
Natural.
Why, man, I'm going with my water star.
So, hungry na.
Fine, brother. Watch it.
You never know.
Ooh, you're not sure you eat.
Yeah, so we don't know this. Come down.
See the MP, look at without all the MP. See the Mr. Warmington. Over here.
Hey, Ray Warmington.
Okay. Yeah, man. Great. Awesome. There's an awesome. Let's see it.
Nice one, man.
Check this out.
Where's some of that?
Sit there.
That's all I want to do.
Hey, Nancy, where you put pepper on my one for? I mean, you want that?
Me take the pepper. Me take piece of
No,
pepper.
man, no. You pepper.
I pepper, brother.
Me's a pepper man, you know.
We vegetable.
Well, I don't mind if you get me vegetable.
Yeah, man, respect.
Fully put pepper.
Him can't manage pepper, no?
Who that?
Him.
Yeah.
Warmington, him can't manage pepper, man. Check this.
And then everybody name again.
Yeah, man. Check this out. At least the bait, you know, sir. It's the bait, but it's a turn. It's a turn in our meal for me right now. Look at that.
You know my piece of slow love thing and
Right over charcoal. Where's the Everall? I get pick, you know? I get pick. Yeah. So, fish them now eat the bait, so I go eat it for them.
I always have something like bust off line in time I use it.
Mm.
You know what, yeah.
Look at that eel, man. Look at that eel.
Think so?
Yeah, man.
Big so?
Yeah, man.
You know, I take line and go out and water it.
Yeah. Look at that eel, man.
Come down to the time where you know what fish them out of we always get a big bite there and then bust off. But today, the moment for truth, you have a see a while go and see? See? I had an adventure around us, so
Yeah, man.
I pepper up some string there.
Yep.
What you say?
Yeah, man. I sort out some bait.
I could get some big feed them.
What you mean? Yeah, man.
I am going to feed yourself with them.
Feed yourself with them, man. We need bait too, you know. Yeah, man.
People know say, yo, you eat them deer.
Yeah, man. The deer, man, so I feed some $1,300 a pound.
So when they see we catch the look of video, I know throw them back.
Yeah, man. Bait,
My time.
bait no cheap, man. $1,300 a pound.
Yeah.
Now we buy 2 pounds, so $2,600. We eat some of it. Ain't fast, you know? Ain't fast, man. The big one, you see the big one there? Check this out. Shoot them ready.
Speed off. Well, we not surrender.
Yeah, try one.
Yeah, man.
So it's hot, you know? I don't know how the pepper stay on it.
Yeah, it's fine.
Nice?
Mm-hmm.
What do you mean?
Oh. But that's so.
Oh, body no what? Oh, you say okay. But you're not easy, you what?
Go on, Everall.
Yeah, go on, bad man. Respect, man. My God.
What are you doing? It tastes good.
No, I'm all Just I can put a butter pan in there, right?
Butter. Nice. And the water and season. I'm look up the pepper.
Oh.
Yeah.
But, and if you do a pot of that, you know,
That's all.
Okay, then. Wait.
Oh my God.
So, done?
Done?
Yeah, no.
The bad man.
What, man?
That's the thing, right?
Come over.
Go on, man.
Eat slap over.
Yeah, man, me here.
Alright, man. Tell me
Here.
the earlier man here again, man.
Look at feed.
Super.
Feed. So
How do you
that's what I'm going.
Sorry, come on, go down.
I eat the beer in the feed. I eat the morning. Where is it?
Okay, then. We are here. Put that wall there yourself. Oh, yeah. Okay.
John, me I tell you, mosquito eat you alive.
Paper.
The mangrove flood out.
No, we can't.
Man, they have the igloo in the hand and try to fight, then we have to come out of the water.
Go get some shot at it, please.
Watch out. Watch out. My God. We're not seeing no adventure like this again. Adventure of a lifetime there, I think. No, I'm seeing truck.
Oh, in truck.
Well, people, it's the end of this video. What is it doing? What is it about the adventure?
Man, I ain't that one.
Why am I telling you? Wicked adventure,
Even
man.
terrible.
Wicked, man.
Really wicked.
This is called
This is
adventure.
kind of real adventure, people.
Yeah,
I tell
man.
them. No, man.
Right now, we don't prepare none at all for this. We never
Yeah,
prepare
man. Yeah, no, man. I tell
but
them.
it is nice still.
Very nice.
Nice, man. The food and everything. Food
Everything.
shot.
Yeah, man.
Oh, you going back, Everall?
No, man. Come on, man. We are going to stop.
Me have one bag, we just put them in the bag.
Come in, man.
Yeah, so it's the end of the video. So until next time,
Put the water in there.
peace.
Put the drink in the water.